Meet Jan, Charlie, and KEONI. Jan is a Hawaiian Electric customer and she wants to install rooftop solar. Charlie is the solar contractor she's chosen, and KEONI is a Hawaiian Electric engineer. With their help, we'll show you the process for getting your rooftop solar system approved, installed, and connected in Hawaiian Electric's Customer Grid Supply Program. Jan is excited to get started. She goes to hawaiianelectric.com to see if solar makes sense for her based on where she lives and how much electricity she uses. After carefully comparing proposals from several solar contractors, Jan selects Charlie. He designs a rooftop solar system that is sized to properly match Jan's energy usage. Components include solar panels and approved inverters from Hawaiian Electric's list. With their design complete, Jan and Charlie submit a solar application package to begin the interconnection approval process. KEONI, the Hawaiian Electric engineer, performs a technical review of the application and looks at how Jan's system could affect the grid in her area. If many other rooftop systems have already been approved or installed, Jan's system could cause problems on the electric grid, which could impact her neighbors. In this situation, additional technical studies may be needed to make sure the grid remains safe and reliable for everyone. This additional review can take from 2 to 6 months. After KEONI verifies that Jan's proposed system can safely interconnect to the grid, he lets Jan and Charlie know that they can proceed. Charlie, the contractor, gets right to work installing the system. When he's done, Charlie submits a solar validation package with key information about the completed system. KEONI reviews the validation package to see if all requirements are met. Once this is verified, he arranges for a new meter to be installed to measure the electricity being produced and used by Jan's system. This step takes up to 3 weeks. Finally, the big day has arrived. The sun is shining brightly. Jan flips the switch to energize her new rooftop solar system. She can't wait to see her next electric bill. Jan is happy because she's producing energy for her needs and earning credits for the excess electricity she sends into the grid. Those credits will go towards reducing her electric bill. Charlie is happy because the approval and installation went smoothly. And KEONI is happy because Hawaii is one step closer to a 100% renewable energy future. A month later, Jan's electric bill arrives. She opens it and smiles. To download your application packet, go to hawaiianelectric.com/going solar.